Chinese real estate tycoon Hui Ka-yan is rapidly slipping down the wealth rankings. His net worth dropped another $3.35 billion this week, as shares of his Evergrande tumbled 26%. The company's Hong Kong-listed shares have plunged 68% over the past year, and analysts say the once resourceful tycoon appears to be running out of options to avert a mounting debt crisis. It's a dramatic turn of events for Hui, who had been crowned Asia's richest person just 4 years ago, when his net worth peaked at $45.3 billion. Today, his fortune currently sits at $17.2 billion, and there's no telling how much further it may drop. The embattled tycoon is struggling to reduce a total debt pile that grew another 5% to reach a whopping 1.95 trillion yuan $301.6 billion as of last year. Hui has actually managed to steer Evergrande out of trouble in the past through a variety of different means, such as equity placements and debt sales, but this time is different, according to Shen Chen, a partner at Shanghai Maoliang Investment Management. Evergrande's debt crisis is accelerating, Shen says. The company is sure to run into problems because it doesn't have access to new financing, and it can't dispose of assets in a fast enough manner to raise funds either. Investors, for example, worry that financial institutions might cut off Evergrande's funding and demand immediate repayments. Last week, a local court froze 132 million yuan of deposits held by Evergrande's mainland subsidiary, Hengda Real Estate Group, at the request of creditor China Guangba Bank. Evergrande threatened legal action against the bank on Monday because the loan in question won't be due until March next year. On Thursday, Evergrande said it had settled the lawsuit, but provided no details as to the terms of the deal it had reached with the bank. Zhou Chuanyi, a credit analyst at Singapore-based Lucra Analytics, says Guangba's action is likely to be prompted by mounting worries over Evergrande's ability to meet its debt obligations. The company had only 158.8 billion yuan in cash and cash equivalents at the end of 2020, against 335.5 billion yuan of borrowings that were due in the next 12 months, according to its annual report. Under normal circumstances, banks won't go so far as to sue Evergrande, she says. But as creditors grow increasingly anxious, they will want to protect their money, and markets are worried that more financial institutions will follow suit. Evergrande didn't respond to emailed requests for comment. In the meantime, Hui is facing a tougher regulatory environment and finding his other borrowing options appear to be running out. Trust financing, which Fitch Ratings estimates accounts for about 40% of the company's interest-bearing debt, is being drastically tightened in China.